Namaste guys, this is Sachin Hebar, 27-year-old working professional passionate about Ayurveda, creator of the Self Healers Hub, which is on a mission to help you live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the power of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the integration of the body, mind and soul, and it's just not about bitter medicines. I am implementing and I am trying to help you to implement the concepts of Ayurveda into your life so that you can live a holistic life. Watch this video completely till the end to get to know about today's topic, how to improve your mental health exponentially. Watch this video completely till the end so that you can get the concept, and I have a special announcement for whoever stays till the end of the video. So let's begin today's video. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you're watching this on my Facebook, do like my page, and you can join my group after liking the page. Let's begin today's topic on how to improve our mental health. Ayurveda says mind is a matter, and we have derived the mind from a monkey. Hence, mind will always keep going here and there. That's its nature. But without the mind, can we create beautiful things? Whatever was there in this world is actually a thought. So whatever good is there in the world is actually a thought in the mind. So how does the mind work? The mind actually takes input from all the five senses and processes it and manifests it as an action. And when whatever action is happening, that is what's turned into the reality. So hence, we need to take care of this mind. But due to the lifestyle we have now, due to the busy lifestyles, we are actually creating a lot of negative emotions. And this negative emotion is causing a vicious cycle. So let me just type out the vicious cycle here. See, what happens is we have a disturbed mind, correct? A disturbed mind. And if we have a disturbed mind, what happens? We have disturbed thoughts. And when we have disturbed thoughts, it leads to a deepening of negative emotions. And this leads to health issues. Is it not? So, many health issues are actually being caused by these things, by the disturbed mind and the disturbed thoughts, because we are feeding a lot of bad things into our mind. And hence, we are actually getting a lot of health issues and getting a lot of mental health issues in our lifestyles. Hence, we have to make sure we are removing this from the root. So how do I and how do we remove this? And I am implementing this in my life. So I just want to share it with you so that you can also start implementing and get improvement in your mental health. So this is the vicious cycle of disturbed mind, and then we have the disturbed thoughts, and then deepening of the negative emotions, and which in turn leads to a health issues in your body. So how do I actually take these disturbed mind and how do I improve it? So let's see how can we. First, how do we improve this disturbed mind? So let's see by just looking at this mind map. Okay, how do I improve? So let me just add one more. How do I improve my mental health? So let's just put it here in the middle so that you guys can start using it easily. And let's do this. So first point is, let's see, physical activity. Physical activity, anything you love. Okay, let it be running, walking, dancing, let it be Zumba or aerobics. Dedicate 1 hour and break a sweat, because motion creates positive emotions in your body, and these positive emotions are like habits in your mind, and this needs to be programmed into your mind so that your positivity increases and you break that cycle. Okay, so one point is physical activity. What is the other point? Next is we have meditation or chanting or deep breathing. These techniques will help you improve your mind tremendously. Meditation daily for at least 20 minutes can help you create that beautiful flow of thoughts in your body and let go all the negative thoughts in your body. Or chanting or deep breathing daily 5 to 10 minutes deep breathing, because when you breathe deeply, your mind loves that sensation of breathing deeply, and that wants more of that. It will want more of that when you start breathe deeply. And that's how you can start improving, by practicing meditation, by practicing chanting, or by practicing deep breathing daily. Okay, so what is the next point? Let us see here. 1 minute. Just adding it. Next we can have meditation, deep breathing, affirmations. What is affirmation? Affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself. For example, you can say, I am loving, or you can say, I am healthy, or you can say, I am lovable. When you repeat this daily, it becomes a habit inside your mind, and it will start believing that you are actually loving, actually lovable, and such positive statements are actually recorded into your mind. So see, this is powerful, is it not? See, the negative statements like you can't do it, you're not good enough, I am not good enough, all these negative emotions automatically come into you because of how the society is programming you. So now you have to reprogram yourself by these affirmations like I am loving, I am healthy, I am lovable. Is it not? So is it powerful? So these affirmations need to be repeated, need to read it, need to say it, need to see it daily. Maybe you can paste it in your room saying I am loving, I am lovable, I am becoming healthy daily. So these affirmations need to be practiced so that your mind is programmed for positivity. Okay, so what is the next point? The next point we can have is observing the sensations of the body. So when we are doing meditation or chanting, we can observe the body from head to toe. Just look how it is, how you are feeling, and then don't only focus on some pain areas. Rather than that, don't give that pain area a lot of fodder. Instead of that, just focus on other parts of your body. If you have a back pain, don't focus on that pain, rather focus on all the other parts of your body and see how you are feeling in the body. Because if you again and again focus on that back pain, your mind thinks he likes back pain or she likes back pain, and will she keep giving it? The mind will keep increasing that pain. Instead of that, if you take the attention away, and this works magically, if you take the attention away from that pain, then you actually do not pick it up much. It will be there, pain is there, you'll feel it, but you will not increase it. So you need to observe the sensations of your body. What is the final point I want to make is very powerful point, and it's called faith. Faith, or in Kannada they call it nambike. So faith is very strong. You need to believe in someone, in some higher force. So when you believe and surrender to that higher force, you let go of the fear of negative emotion of fear in your heart, and that fear is actually causing many health issues in your body, and hence you're letting go of that fear through having faith in a higher force. And in that way, you're actually becoming more positive. In your meditation, in your chanting, or during your deep breathing, always visualize your faith so that it gets programmed into your mind and you have that strength. Don't ever feel you're alone, because your faith is always with you. Faith can create miracles, okay? And that's how you can do this. So what are the ways? Let us again summarize this. First and foremost, you got to have physical activity, okay? I'm bringing it here. Physical activity is one point, and then you can do anything: running, walking, dancing, Zumba, and then meditation, deep breathing or chanting. Affirmations, positive affirmations which will reprogram your mind. Third, observing the sensations of your body when you're doing meditation, or observing when you the other parts of your body when you have pain. Fourth is faith, having faith in a higher force that your life will be better in the coming future, will increase your mental health exponentially. How was the tips, guys? I want to comment below which was the tip we'll start implementing. Comment below your top learnings. Really, I'm appreciating you. You have come to the end of this video, and I would like to invite you to a webinar I am doing on Saturday, where I'll be revealing to you the secrets to accelerate your healing power and start living a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the power of Ayurveda. And you can click on the link in the description below, and we'll meet live. Looking forward to meet you live. Thank you. Like and share this video, and I hope by implementing the concepts in this video, you can increase your mental health exponentially. Thank you so much. Have amazing health. Stay safe. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.